Hi there, welcome to the website. Thanks for clicking play. Thanks for showing interest in our leadership and management training courses. My name's Adrian Close. I'm the Director of Learning at Ultimate Leadership Training. I wanted to put a little bit of human into the website just to give you a little bit of an overview about me, my company, and the page that you're currently on, the Leadership and Management Training courses. So like I said, my name's Adrian. I am the Director of Learning at Ultimate Leadership Training. It's a company I set up a while ago to change the way that leadership and management training is delivered and also received. So you haven't got the traditional type of leadership and management training courses when I deliver them, whether that's in person, whether that's virtually through Zoom, or whether that's in my online programs. They're completely different. They're action focused. The in-person courses, they get homework to do that they set themselves, their priorities that they set themselves during the course, and then they go away and do them, and then we have an accountability process. I have exactly the same on my online academy as well. So you've had a look at the top, so that was just a little bit of an introduction for leadership, and then you've seen this book, which is Starting Strong. So a new manager's guide to thriving in leadership, the first 100 days. It's an awesome resource for new and aspiring managers, team leaders that are going into management. What I wanted from this book was literally, one of your team have got a stakeholder management, chapter 6. Okay, so they'll go to chapter 6, and it is all about stakeholder management. How do they manage not just their team, but also their customers, their manager, 360 management, all of that sort of stuff. So it's a really, really cool tool, and it's available at Amazon. You've got the link just above on the picture if you want to grab your copy. So just at the side of this video, we've got a couple of links. So the first one is our leadership management training courses. So we've got all the courses on there. We do them in person. They're usually 9 till 4. The virtual ones are 90 minutes long or 3 hours long. The 3-hour one gets a break in the middle. They're all bespoke. So you'll see the courses on there. You can see there are some course outlines and things like that, but they're just an example. Every single course that we deliver is bespoke. So whatever it is that you need, whatever goals that you've got, whatever needs that you've got, we'll make sure that they're in your course. I have a 12-month online program, so we take 12 of the most popular, the most beneficial courses, if you like, starting with management, then leadership and time management, communication skills. We go through a 12-month program that's in person. I can send you a brochure, so if you just contact me, there's a link above. Just contact me, and I'll send you that. Not a problem. The next one is just for you. So if it's a course just for you and you want to improve your management and leadership skills, then my in-person courses, they're closed because they are just for companies. So I go to a company and there's like for 12 people, for example. So they're closed courses. But if you click that link, there's another something else that I've put. It's an online program. Don't let the online stuff put you off because it's unbelievably powerful. And that's my clients that are saying that, and I know it is. So have a look at that. And that's for sort of if you've got 1 or 2 team members and you don't want a trainer to come to you, you haven't got the facility for people to come to you, or remote teams, people that are going to learn sort of managing from a remote sort of position. So do have a look. That's courses just for 1 team member or 2 or 3. And then we've got a business development and marketing support. So I put a marketing program together, a bespoke marketing program together, and then for a client in London. And then out of that program came another book that I've just launched, which is Mastering the Path to Profit, which is also on Amazon. And then I've also put a what we call a 1-week challenge, it's a 5-day challenge together, where people join the challenge, and it takes half an hour a day. There's a task to complete. And it helps you refresh the way that you look at your marketing. So that's that business development, the marketing support, and then there's contact me. So if you want to contact me and have a discussion about, leadership management or business or marketing or whatever it is that you want to discuss, then just contact me. A little bit further down the page, there's a little bit more information about Ultimate Leadership Training and why us. There's an awesome testimonial from Mike. So again, down in London, a company that I delivering programs to. That's an in-person one, and then we've got one from Anna a little bit further down. That's a new company that I've just started with. They tested me on the 1-day management course, which was awesome, and now they've booked 2 programs to run consecutively. So every Tuesday and Wednesday, I think it's the 3rd week of the month. for one of their team up north, one of their team down south. So that was awesome. But that was just from the management course. That's how powerful they are. So do have a look around the web page. Do have a look at those links just to the side of the video. And like I said, if you've got any further questions, then do give me a shout, and we'll arrange to get together, have a quick chat, and I can explain how I can help. Awesome. Okay. Thanks for listening, and hopefully speak soon. Cheers.